Good morning, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and today we're going to try to use a tarp. This year we're not paying for shrink wrap. We're going to experiment with a tarp, but we're going to use the old structure that we got with our shrink wrap, and we're going to try to put into Mary's car. We don't have a Suburban anymore. The main beam is 7 feet long, and there's 3 of us because our daughter Anna's coming with us, so we can't have the seat up. We have to have the seat up so she can sit in there. Here's the tarp, which is basically 50 by 30 feet, which we got from Harbor Freight. These were the guts of the old, where we had the shrink wrap. These are all tied together, these 3 beams. And then I've got some PVC pipe that I can bring with us if I need to create a different structure or more structure for it, support. We'll take this with us as well, take it apart. This was one that we used in our deck boat when we would cover our deck boat for the winter. I got a fresh set of bungee cords, 30-piece cord set. Got some of these guys, which are clamps that you can clamp on the tarp instead of relying on the grommet, or in addition to. This is shrink wrap tape, super strong. I think that's it. Now we need our daughter. You're gonna put this end in the antifreeze.
Oh.
You catching my drift now, girl? Okay, so that's to go all the way down. And let's see if that'll stay up like that. You're gonna have to hold that. See,
Oh.
this is what I mean.
Okay, maybe I need to be like
This way?
yeah. And then I can just fall.
Well, we can, no, we can't switch it around. Okay. All right, let's see if it'll
Start
go.
slow.
No, you're gonna go and do it. Oh. There we go. There we go. Stop a second. There it is. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Flip it a little bit to get right there. Okay, stop for a second. Perfect. Go. Keep on, just keep on, because it's gotta go all the way through. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, let it go. Stop it. Okay, I think it went through. It came out through there. There's the antifreeze on the ground.
Oh, it came out.
See it? You are?
So do we start by securing this one?
We should.
Yeah.
But I'm worried that we're having a directional problem here. Things got cut. This one actually goes back, and there's nothing going forward right now. I see that some of them are cut. That's definitely a problem. You know, can I buy some of this stuff? I think last time we had the same problem. So that seems like what we need to do.
Right, because
if you
they
buy
should be
this,
continuous.
yeah, you just buy big stuff. So let me see if I can find that. As we've started this process, we realized from last year that we had to cut a lot of these. A lot of this, I don't know what it's called, twine or something. So we ran to West Marine to buy a big ball of it. So we bought, what is this? Dr. Shrink. it's 29 by 49, so it's about 30 by 50. Our length overall is 34 feet, but obviously we're going to need more to come up over the boat, so I'm not sure if the 50, hopefully the 50 will be enough. And then our beam is about 12 feet, so we have an extra 17 feet or so, which actually has to go up over the boat. So we'll see how that works. All right, so we managed to pull it from the bow with the help of our great helpers. Now we have it bungeed in the grommets. All right.
What if we have one person go like this to get it over?
Got it.
And then 2 people pull. So
Perfect.
you can do that.
I don't know if we want to go all the way on top or not, but all right, just pulled that over. What a beast. All right, we have a ton of room up front. That doesn't look so bad from the front. So we took 2 lines and went over the bow. It's great. Okay, yep. What do we want to say about this?
We saved so much money.
I need just a couple comments. Remember, I'm editing everything, so just, I'm not gonna put you on a, what do you think?
It's not as aesthetically pleasing as the other boats,
No, definitely not.
but it's thicker material, right?
DIY.
It's a DIY,
We
yeah,
saved a lot of money.
we did.
Only takes 3 people 5 hours of work.
3 people, 5 hours of work.
Maybe we didn't save that much money. Just pay the guy next time.
If we had to buy a different size, what are we thinking? We need less length by at least 5, 6, maybe 10 feet.
Length?
Yeah. So
Because the
that's
whole
the
front is like a diaper because we had all this extra space.
Well, it's not length, it's width. The length is only to here.
True.
Okay,
If it was shorter, you'd be all the way up here.
Yeah.
okay, so the length was right.
Or, I mean, maybe it's just like, because this part is narrow, there's
Right.
more, no matter how you slice it, unless it's like boat-shaped tarp.
Right.